The Terex PT100G and the PT100G Forestry compact track loaders offer a fully electronic 99.9 horsepower engine, a multi-level internal rail suspension undercarriage, interactive electronic operator controls, and high-flow hydraulic capabilities. During this walk-around, you will see why these loaders were voted the most innovative products of the year by RER magazine in 2010. The auxiliary hydraulic system on the newly designed PT100G models still utilizes a variable displacement load sensing pump. These models now boast an 85cc high-flow pump, which is 47% larger than the previous PT100. This new pump produces 52 gallons a minute, with 45 gallons per minute being dedicated to the auxiliary circuit, while 7 gallons of flow is left in reserve for lift and tilt functions. This reserve flow allows the operator to manipulate the boom and tilt without taking away from the performance of the attachment. This new high displacement pump produces higher hydraulic horsepower with up to 45 gallons a minute at 3,800 psi. The increased hydraulic capabilities with new variable flow hydraulics enables the operator to change flow levels on the high flow circuit in 1 gallon increments, adjusting the flow to match the attachment's capabilities. These loaders come standard with a 5-hose hookup that includes a case drain, 2 3/4 inch and 2 1-inch inside diameter hydraulic flat face couplers, as well as a hydraulic pressure release and an 8-pin electrical connector. The PT100G Forestry produces 99.7 hydraulic horsepower to produce higher productivity in any high flow application like mulching, planing, and trenching. The PT100G Forestry is designed with a heavy-duty polycarbonate door that protects the operator from flying debris during mulching and other applications. The door has quick disconnects inside the cab. If the boom is in the way and the operator cannot open the door, simply turning these 2 release handles frees the door from the hinges, allowing it to fall away from the opening. 2 forward and 2 rear-facing protected lights illuminate the job site in low light situations. Terex's unique dual triangle loader arm design increases the loader's reach by 23%, greatly improving loading capabilities. This feature, along with our new bucket cylinder geometry, gives the unit 4,000 pounds of rated operating capacity, increased bucket breakout force, and offers a lift height of 125 inches. Making the PT100G models outstanding in production loading tasks. All Terex compact track loaders come standard with flag pins and bushings, which retains the pin and keeps it from spinning inside the bushing. All of our flag pins are greasable with external grease zerks, making daily maintenance of pivot points easy. This translates to added strength and durability for the loader bushings and pins. The 30-gallon fuel tank on the PT100G Forestry is engineered with a steel guard to protect the tank while mulching. Like the PT80, we have incorporated the multi-level suspension system into the PT100G undercarriage, allowing the bogie carriages to move independently from one another on torsion suspensions. This fully suspended undercarriage will provide an overall smoother ride for the operator, enhancing the loader's tractive effort and improves track and undercarriage component life. The suspension system, coupled with the new front axle swing joint, gives more movement within the undercarriage, enhancing the frame life and allowing for lower track tensions. Our new PT100G models boast 48 bogie wheels versus 42 in the previous models. 20-inch tracks are standard on the PT100G Forestry, and 18-inch tracks are standard on the PT100G. The 20-inch track offers superior flotation and side hill retention to keep up with the demands of deforestation. The newly improved planetary drive motors do not require an outboard bearing and have a 940cc and 524cc displacement, improving the pushing capabilities to the loader both in low-speed and high-speed applications. Tuning parameters inside the electronic joystick control allows the unit to react the same in both high and low speeds. And soft shift is also standard in the PT100G. When shuttling between low and high speeds, the unit slowly increases and decreases speed. 3 multi-hinge belly pans on the PT100G are designed to allow access to the underside of the engine and hydraulics, making cleaning and other than normal maintenance easier. Terex's industry-leading ground clearance at almost 15 inches gives our compact track loaders the ability to push through soft underfoot conditions and reduce the chance of getting hung up or causing belly pan damage. The comprehensive forestry package protects the operator and the unit from injury or damage in demanding mulching applications. The guarding package includes a polycarbonate rear window and front door, a protected AC unit, and front and rear lights. It also keeps the operator safe from falling or flying debris. The rear guarding package easily swings down with the assistance of nitrogen shocks to access the rear engine compartment. Cooling is all about efficiency. With a new bell mouth fan shroud, Terex's cooling capabilities have followed suit with the unit's performance. The bell mouth fan shroud allows the unit to operate at the highest level of performance while keeping our components and fluids at optimum temperatures. The PT100G Forestry offers an electronic reversing fan as standard equipment. This fan reverses at a predetermined time limit set by the operator to blow chaff and other debris away from the cooler, allowing the unit to operate efficiently. The fully electronic Tier 3 99.9 horsepower engine has easy access to daily service checks, such as fuel, engine, and hydraulic filters, and engine oil and hydraulic fluid levels. The air cleaner and battery compartments on the PT100G are positioned in the rear towers, protecting them from damage while making them easy to access during daily checks and maintenance. The lockable fuel fill cap is located at ground level for easy refueling. Engine and component protection is also an important design feature in the 100G. The electronic engine control protection derates the engine gradually as the radiator becomes restricted or ambient temperatures increase beyond optimal. This function, along with a new electronic anti-stall, will allow the unit to deliver consistent responsiveness over wide temperature ranges. The PT100G is ROPS and FOPS certified. The forestry model is also British Columbia WCBG 608 certified, one of the highest certifications in forestry applications. The ROPS on the 100G also tilts up for periodic cleaning and service. The Operator Control Center allows the operator to manipulate major functions of the loader, such as ISO H-pattern control select, creep mode, loader and tilt speeds, as well as to initiate auto idle and adjust the high flow rate. The Control Center, combined with the loader's diagnostic capabilities, give operators a complete overview of how the unit is performing. If the unit fails, error codes will appear on the display, giving the operator and the service technician an indicator as to the failure and reducing diagnostics and travel expenses due to troubleshooting. The high flow circuit, standard flow circuit, parking brake, and lights are all at the operator's fingertips. An AM/FM radio with MP3 capabilities is standard on the forestry unit. Our engineers used the previous PT100 model as a competitive unit when designing the new PT100G. The philosophy behind this was to take a great machine and make it even better. This unit was designed with more operator comfort features in mind, with enhanced joystick controls, a better protected, dual suspended, harder pushing undercarriage. These features, along with new loader geometry, will take on some of the toughest ground engaging projects. Our greatly improved internal and auxiliary hydraulics makes the new PT100G the unit to beat for control and push power, or when utilizing high flow attachments.